Hello everyone, I'm Lightspear9. Today this is episode 9 or 8, one of them. The Slender tutorial series, we're on one of them. In this episode we're going to do the main menu as well as the death and the victory. So, let's make a new folder. Actually, no new folder. We have a maps folder already. Go to your map folder, create a new level, and we're going to call it main menu. Alright, so now we have our main menu. Let's create a widget. Main menu widget. Okay, let's get an image. Just drag it over the whole screen here. I'm gonna make mine orange, dark orange. I like the color orange. Okay, that looks like peanut butter, but we're gonna go with it anyways. Alright, there's only two buttons that I'm going to add, which is the play and the quit. Alright, let's just name these buttons, or say play button and quit button. Okay, let's make them bigger. Make them, try and make them roughly the same size. You can also like duplicate them so they are the same size, but I'm lazy. Okay, and now let's just get text for the top. This is going to be our title. Slender Man. No. Gigs Jaw Man. Okay, color, let's make it dark red. You don't have to follow any of this, obviously. This is, that goes without saying. I'm just doing something that I think might look funny. Want to change the font, because I have my own font, as you all know. And make the size like 100. There we go, now we're talking. Gigs Jaw Man Spooky. I don't like this color though. We're gonna go black. Oh, there we go. That doesn't look terrible. Okay, let's get more text and put it on each of the buttons. We're gonna say 50. Yeah, that looks fine. 50 dark red. Actually, light red. Let me show you why. And our custom font. We want to say play. Duplicate this and put it on the quit button as well. Okay, I can't duplicate it. Let's just make another one. Or we already have one. Okay. Quit. Same color, red. Same this, and this is like what, 50? Yeah. Let's make the buttons a little bit smaller here. Because what I like to do is I like to have the text be the same size as the button, and I just take the button to go to the background color, turn off the alpha so it's invisible. Very, very boring menu, but very easy to make. So, okay, next thing we're going to do is let's get the button set up. So, on click, we're just going to say quit game. And then, on click for play, we are going to open level. Our level being the main forest, which I don't remember what it's called. Forest map. And on event begin or event construct, we're going to want to cast to No, we want to get player controller and set show mouse cursor to be true. Okay, let's just see if this works. Oh, we forgot to construct it. Create widget, being our main menu, add to viewport. Alright, let's quit, and it works. Nice. If we hit play, we are in. Okay, good. Now one more thing I would like to do for the menu is we are going to get each one of the buttons. We're going to say on hovered and on unhovered. Then we're going to get our text. We have to make it a variable. So up here, play text is variable. Over here, quit text is variable. Grab play text, set slate color or set color and opacity, and then we have to make slate color. When this is hovered, we want to, or at least I do, I want to go darker. So dark red. For some, hold on, let me, is it not slate color? Give me a second. Oh, okay, so you can actually just plug it into here. You used to not be able to do that. At least on my RPG game, that's how I had to set it up, where I had to like make a slate color. So I guess I fixed it. Now we're just gonna do the same thing with quit. We're going to get on hovered, on unhovered, and then just copy paste these two. Plug in our quit button text, and everything should be good. Yep, there we go. The play is very clearly off-centered with everything else, and I don't enjoy it, but that's fine. So now let's do the victory and the death, which I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do it very simple, where we're just going to send you back to the main menu. Oh yeah, so let's go to our forest map. Inside the level blueprint, we are going to, what is all this? Oh, okay, right, that was for me. Under event tech, we're going to cast to our game mode again. And we're going to get pickups. Yeah. And then we're going to get a branch. Is pickups equal to 8? Or, you know, whatever your max is. However many you want to spawn. If it is, open main menu. Open level main menu. Alright. And now we need, alright, so now let's do the enemy. What we're going to do is, under his mesh, actually no, we don't need to. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to our character, on actor begin overlap, when actor begin overlap, I'm going to cast to the enemy, and this means that basically we're touching him. We're going to open level main menu, and what we're instead going to do is put another capsule collision around him. We're going to just scale this up to be a little bit bigger, and that should still count as an overlap, I'm pretty sure. It doesn't fall to the map. I've been saying I'm pretty sure, or I've been testing all this stuff out and it hasn't been working. So I could be completely wrong. There's one of our cubes. Do you kill me? Yes, it does. Okay, nice. And I'm assuming gathering all the cubes does the same thing. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Alright, and I found the last one, so hopefully we get sent back to the main menu, and we do. Alright, that's the end of this video. Gigs Draw Man, it's all working. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.